Hi everyone. Today we will model this beautiful electronic kettle. Let's jump into Blender and get started. Hi everyone again. As always, I'm gonna start with a new general file in Blender. Let's select everything and delete it so we can have a clean workspace. I will create a circle. Then go to edit mode, select everything and hit F to fill it. Extruded in Z axis. I will scale it along X and Y axis. Create an edge loop here. Scale it to an X and Y axis. Then I will bevel it. Add more segments by moving the mouse wheel up and down. Press anywhere. You will get this window. I will play with the number here. Press 3 again or go to face selection. Select this face. And before that, I will add one loop here. Move it down. Go back to face selection here. Select this face. Control plus. Now separate them by pressing P. Select, go to object mode and select this object. Switch to solo mode. Go to edit mode, then edge. Select the loop here. Hit F. Go to face selection again with selected face here. And hold shift and press here. Then I will unset it. I will make the thickness 0.004. Then create an edge loop here. I will change the segments to be 1. Okay, add subdivision surface. Shade smooth. Switch off solo mode again. Right now I will select this object. Go to edit mode. Select the loop. Control plus. I will separate this two. Switch to solo mode. Select this loop and this loop. Hit F to fill them. Press I. Press anywhere. I will make the thickness to 0.4. Add one loop here. Bevel it. With the pressing shift, move a little like this. Okay, I will add subdivision surface from here. I will select this object Go to edit mode. Face selection. I will separate this face. Okay. I will rename it. Go to solo mode. Edit. Top view. Go to vertices selection. I will select this vertex. Enable proportional editing. I will move it along y-axis. Move the mouse wheel up and down. Uh, I think this is good. Maybe. Okay. Um, I will move this and this GY like so. Disable proportional editing. I think this is enough. Maybe I will move all of those vertices like so. I think this is good. Okay. After that, I will go to modifiers. Uh, I will add a little here. Then I will go to edit mode, add one loop here, like so, and another one here. Okay, I will apply it. Then I will go to edit mode, add one edge loop here, bevel it, and do the same here. Bevel it, press anywhere, and play with the numbers here. Okay. Add subdivision surface to shade smooth. So it's time now for the cover. Select the cover. I will scale it along X and Y axis. Before scaling, I will go to Object, set origin to geometry. Then I will scale it along X and Y axis. A little bit, not too much. Go to edit mode. Um, I think we have to scale it again because it's too big. Scale it again along X and Y axis. Okay, I think this is enough. Yeah, this is enough. Go to edit mode again, face selection, um, extrude, and along Z axis. Okay, and set one time. Move it along the axis. Go to vertices selection, press M, add center, move it along the axis, the vertices here. Okay, maybe I will add one loop inside, so press Ctrl plus. Um, okay, I will insert that. Okay, move it a little along the axis, like so. I will add one loop here, move it down. Add one edge loop here, bevel it. So shade smooth. Add subdivision surface 2 times. Okay, this is the cover. Go to top view, create a cylinder, scale it like this. Okay, move it up, move it in y-axis like this. Okay, more, edit mode, face selection, this one and this one. Press one time I, add one loop here, bevel it. Add subdivision surface 2 times, shade smooth, apply it. Go here, apply the subdivision surface. I will add boolean here, select the cylinder. Okay, hide this. Okay. Mm. Shade auto smooth. Perfect. Duplicate this. Uh, intersect. So right now we have 2 parts. Save it. Move the cylinder here. For example, I will select this. Okay, I think this is enough. Hide this again. Okay. So, hello everyone again. It's time to create the kettle handle. So, I will select this part, go to solo mode, then top view, edit mode. I will select this face, go to face selection, this face, press and hold control. I will duplicate this part, then separate it by pressing P. Okay, I will delete the subdivision surface. I will add a mirror modifier, X, and don't forget the clipping. Go to edit mode, select everything. I will extrude along normals. Add one loop edge here. Bevel it. One edge loop here. Sorry, one edge loop here. and move it. Okay, add edge loop here. I will make the factor minus 0.99. Okay, I will move the vertex, this one and this one down. So press G 2 times to move the vertex along faces, along the face here. I will move this along the edge. So press G 2 times, move it a little. Okay, then go down. I will move this along the edge too. So press G 2 times, but more than the this one. Add one loop here. Move it down. I make the factor minus 0.99. Okay. Then apply the mirror. Go to the edit again. Go to face selection, select this one and this one, extrude along normals, like so, rotate it in x-axis, move it down a little. Okay. Um, Press and hold shift, press, select this both two, so right click, bridge faces. You will get this menu, make the numbers of cut to keep a blend path, and you can play with the smoothness here. I will keep it like this. Then add one edge loop here, move it, make the factor minus 0.75 and do the same here. Move it like that, minus 0.75. Okay, go to object mode again, right click, shade smooth, add a subdivision surface modifier, make it maybe 3. Look at that. Go to edit mode, go to vertex selection and select this vertex. Press shift S cursor to select it. So right now, if I create a cube, the pivot point of the cube, it will be on this vertex. So shift A, mesh cube, I will scale it like this, scale it in y-axis like that, rotate in x-axis, and I want to move it along y-axis like this. If you go to side view, you will see it here. Maybe I will rotate it again in x-axis, um, move it in z-axis, in x-axis, sorry, like so. Okay, right now I will add subdivision surface to it. Go to edit mode, add one loop here, bevel it like so, and one loop here, bevel it too, and one more here, bevel it too. Okay. I wanna make the level here maybe 3. Shade smooth, apply it. Go here, apply the subdivision surface modifier. I will add boolean. Okay, pick the cube here, hide the cube, right click, shade odd smooth to this, and I will duplicate this one, the handle here. I want to move the pivot point of the button in the center of the geometry. So okay, maybe I have to apply this and apply this to Select again object, set origin to geometry, yeah, and scale it a little bit, maybe like so, and move it a little in z axis like that. Okay, so we have something beautiful here. I will apply this to and apply this to and go to switch off solo mode. So I will press Shift S. I will put the cursor back toward origin. So guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. This was the first episode, and the next one is coming next week. See you guys. Bye.